Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the power of customer loyalty analytics on Amazon. Let's get into it. On Amazon Seller Central, one of the most valuable yet underutilized tools is the Customer Loyalty Analytics section, which is part of Brand Analytics. You can access it by navigating to the hamburger menu, selecting Brands, and then choosing Brand Analytics. Depending on updates to the interface, you may find it in a slightly different spot, but once located, the insights it offers can be incredibly powerful for any brand owner. This tool segments your customer base into 5 key groups: total customers, top-tier customers, promising customers, at-risk customers, and hibernating customers. These categories are based on Amazon's own analysis of buying behavior and help you understand where each customer segment stands in terms of engagement and likelihood to purchase again. Understanding these segments allows you to align your strategies accordingly. For instance, if you see an increase in promising customers, that indicates growing interest in your brand from shoppers who have not yet purchased but are showing signs of intent. This is the perfect time to run brand-tailored promotions or offer limited-time coupons to encourage that first purchase. On the other hand, if the number of hibernating customers is growing, it suggests that previous buyers are no longer engaging with your brand. These customers might be won back with a retargeting campaign or by addressing any potential gaps in availability, listing optimization, or pricing competitiveness. At-risk customers are another segment to pay attention to. These are customers who were previously active but are now showing signs of declining engagement. Offering incentives such as discounts, special bundles, or even restocking reminders through ads can help reduce churn and increase retention. The time frame filter in this tool is also quite useful. A quarter-over-quarter view is ideal for tracking overall loyalty trends, while a weekly or monthly view can help in making quicker promotional decisions, especially during seasonal campaigns or after launching a new product. While you can't directly contact these customers due to Amazon's policies, the value of this tool lies in how it guides your decision-making. It helps ensure that your promotions, ads, and customer engagement efforts are reaching the right people at the right stage in their buying journey. In a competitive marketplace like Amazon, where multiple sellers are constantly trying to capture customer attention, using customer loyalty analytics effectively can help maintain and grow your brand's share of returning buyers. This isn't just about increasing conversions. It's about building a strong customer base that comes back to your brand over time. Using these insights regularly and integrating them into your promotional planning can lead to better performance, more effective use of ad spend, and long-term brand growth. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.